Welcome to Tech Hack. Um, Last week was very hectic for me. I promised earlier on that I was going to show you how you can create an NFT marketplace, anything related to NFT. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now, subscribing would help me to know. Subscribing and watching the videos to the end will um, help others and also help me to know the kind of content I want to post. Where you also drop comment section in the comment literally on the video that I'll be uploading. So today I'm going to show you how you can own your own house metaverse, how you can do that. So now here is the website. It's called Chalau. So now you can see your own home office college. So I'm going to show you home. So I'm going to click on that. Now we're going to load up my word. Now initially I've actually created my own home earlier on, but I'm going to do this again for the sake of those who just joining. So yeah, I'm going to choose the outfit. So I choose this. I'm going to click confirm. All right. So yeah, yeah, so as you can see over here, this is my home. Yes, this is my home. This will be like this. Sorry about that. All right, so now as you can see over here, this is my home. See me, this is my face. Yes. Now we can go to this place. Now this is what the table tennis. You can also check out. Um, sorry, apologies. So, trying to get a hold of it. All right, very good. So now this is this is where see over here I can you can see here I can turn on whiteboard. Now if I want to teach or start the camera, I can share my screen, share my screen, share my screen. If you want to share my screen, I can do that. Now to share a screen, you can stop share, you share a screen. Now I want to share my screen, so quickly I'm going to do that right now. So I'm just going to touch this. There's a script. There's just this here. So now you're going to see, yeah, someone do this. Okay. So it's literally showing that double stuff how I'm doing that. So you can see why yeah, this is how it is. It's really crazy. That's the word. I'm turning whiteboard. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And now I can decide to draw, just put the card, and so on and so forth. Now if I want to do other things like I want to invite my friends, I can simply click on the invite. Just click on the invite and I'm going to ask to invite my friends. Now I want to use my bed, so yeah. So, see over here. Now, for now, there are a few things you can interact with. Um, yeah, basically the main stuff you actually want to do, and do that over here. Now, let's go to the kitchen, so bedroom, sorry. Um, This is a bedroom. Yeah, basically full house. Yes. So now if I invite my friends and they're like they want to, well, let's see if we can literally just go out to see how the environment looks like. I haven't tried going out before, but well, I think we should be able to. Okay, we're restricted, but this is how your home is going to look like. Yes. And now it's free. You own this yourself. You own this yourself. You own this yourself. So now let's say I want to invite. So I can just click on invite. I don't know why it's not prepared up. But so now yeah, to invite, I'm just going to wait for this to load and I'm going to say getting your contact. So it's going to send them an invite link if I'm not mistaken. So that's how to go about that. So if you want to invite your friends to your home, you can do that. So it's going to just take them to this place. And once they accept the invite, you can sit down. Well, fair enough. Yeah, you can sit down. You can see I'm sitting down. Like I say you can interact with the whole. So you can interact with TV. I forgot to mention that you can interact with TV. Over here, you can see over here you can interact with TV. And, um, so I'm going to choose the movie I want to watch. So well, let's see. Okay, it's kind of glitchy. It's kind of glitchy. Let's watch this. Oh, let's watch this virtual reality. Yeah, as you can see, the video is playing. I don't depends. Well, this is how crazy it is. So let's. I think we can be able to play. Um, let's try playing. Trying to tell you what this. So, do you want to walk through? Which you know how I entered this place earlier on, but well, you have think there are some stores that are interactive, you know, mistaken. So, like I said, we're exploring this. Let's see how it looks. Yes. So this is it basically. Let's go up. Let's see what up looks like. Let's see what up looks like. Let's see why this is it. Now you can invite your friends to come chill with you, play with you. You can have discussion over here. And trust me, you this is like this is really crazy. Um, and let's say we want to choose something else, well, office, or you into tutoring. Now you can choose, let's say, tech hack community. So now create. All right, so it's going to open up. I'm going to choose my avatar. So yeah, going to confirm. Now it's going to open up my school. Now, if you have students you want to invite or students you want to teach, well, basically, you can make use of this. Network is lacking. Yeah, so this is the school building. I'm just going to walk through. Speaking. I'm going into the classroom. Yeah, so I'm going to go here. This is this is library. So I'm going to sit down. Yeah, so this is it. You can check it out. Let's quickly explore inside this building. So there are items I'm curious. I'm gonna try snacks. Well, this is as far as you can get. Yeah, we have the basketball court, so I think you should be able to play. Should be able to play basketball. So you should be able to play basketball. Yes, you can play this. I think when you invite your friends over, you should be able to play this. Now you can play this also with your friends. Yes, when your friends are active, you can play all this together with them. Well, this is as far as you can get, you know. You see over here you have other things you can do. Well, this is it. I think we need to head over to the classroom. So let's check the classroom out. Let's see how the classroom looks like. I'm actually more of a friends. I haven't um I haven't tried I haven't tried using this school. I haven't entered the school before. So let's see. Okay. I think yes. Okay, I think this is the classroom. Yes, this is the lecture room. Yeah, this is the lecture room. So now let's say you want to have a class with your students, you can simply just do similar thing. So over here we have whiteboard, start camera. So your students, they can just sit down here. You can see I'm seated and I'm watching my students while I'm teaching them how to do anything they want to do. Usually, this is the classroom. Actually, very nice. I actually love the setting. So I can invite many people as I can invite in the classroom. Now let's see you want to hold the webinar section, virtual reality. Yes, this is what you need, and I highly recommend. I highly recommend. Highly recommend. Now I tried to share earlier on, but I don't know. I'm being asked to just copy the link. I'm going to copy the link and send an invite. I'm going to send an invite. I'm going to. I don't know if you're interested. I'm going to have meeting. If you're interested, we can just try it out together. But I'm going to try now with my friends. So if you'd like to join or message me on WhatsApp, we can connect. And yes, this is it. This is it, your virtual reality. See over here. This is it. Yes. So this is it. It's actually very, very beautiful. Now, do you have any question? If you have any question, you let me know. And yeah, it's free. It's free. You can check it out. Okay, now lastly, let me quickly check office. And just go to the office. Let's see how the office looks like. During COVID and also how it was earlier on. Well, you can see adapt. That's just the way to that still adapt. So adapt. So yeah, I hope you found this video quite entertaining. I hope you find this quite entertaining. So yeah, I'm going to sit down and watch a movie. That is the end of this, fun and entertaining video. Now, if you found value, please don't forget. If you find it interesting, because we're literally trying to explore metaverse. If you found it interesting, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also comment what type of videos you want me to do and reviews. I can review any type of website, basically, show you how you can make corrections and so on and so forth. And also, yeah, you can contact me for your website jobs. If you want any type of website, feel free to reach out to me. I'll give an estimate. I'll explain everything that you need to get started. Uh, that will be the end of this video. Till next time, I'm going to show you how you can create an NFT marketplace without coding and it's totally free.